Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Let us start reading. Standard 8, Unit 2, Prose. Hobby turns into a successful career. Section 1. Once there was a boy named Mani. He was studying at the school in his village. He found it difficult to read and write. His grandfather noticed it and helped him by reading bedtime stories. Gradually, he started reading on his own. Now, he not only enjoyed reading but also has started writing his own stories. Let us read an essay written by Mani. Hobbies are the activities that we do in our spare time. Hobbies are unique to people. Some like gardening, a few like photography, many have book reading as their hobby. While other hobbies are swimming, collecting stamps, playing video games, and many more. People have hobbies not only to pass their free time, but also to do something useful. Hobbies help people learn new things, relax after a day of tiring work, and to energize their body and mind. Same is the case with me. I love writing, so it is my hobby. Writing is a unique hobby because most people don't want to exhaust themselves in their spare time. Many feel that writing is tough, but I do not think so. I feel writing is like painting our voice. When I get free time, I pick a pen and a notebook and start painting my ideas in words. I write stories, poems, and sometimes about my feelings. My mind relaxes when I pour my thoughts as words. So, writing energizes me. When I write things, my imagination is at its best. I imagine a world with magic and magicians where I can fly and birds can talk. Writing helps me completely immerse myself into that world. Sometimes I sit with small children and entertain them with these stories of mine. The happiness of their faces makes me to write more and better. Although writing is just a hobby for me, yet it is very beneficial. It opens my mind to think beyond the little things with a broader mind. It makes me more passionate about my life. It makes me learn new things and enjoy every moment of my life. My hobby helped me in school too. When I started writing things, I was unable to describe them accurately. With time, my experiences helped me think of new ideas, and this made me a good writer. Now, I look out for things which I was not able to see before. Hence, I can describe things better in my stories. I feel no problem with writing English essays or stories as it is my hobby. To become a better writer, I spend time on learning how to write in different forms like fiction and non-fiction. It is important to always learn and improve our hobbies. Who knows, one day I could be a writer like R.K. Narayan. Section 2. Ajay Kumar Garg is a very talented young artist. He lives in Jaipur, India. His childhood was going on well until he suffered an injury at the age of 3. Ajay was treated, but that treatment left him permanently deaf. His parents tried several hospitals to cure his impairment, but it didn't cure him. His father once bought him a paint set to play. Ajay started to paint happily. He painted on the walls, floors, etc. He looked happy while using the paint set that was gifted to him. Soon, Ajay's father realized that Ajay was talented in painting. When Ajay was 5 years old, a court artist of Dholpur, Rajasthan, Sri Swalal, saw his painting and was very impressed with his work. He then took Ajay and started training him. After completing his education, Ajay tried tailoring, but that didn't make him happy. So he went back to painting. He became an apprentice of Asha Devi. She taught Ajay the old and dying technique of traditional Indian miniature painting. He mastered the technique of preparing colors and brushes and gained knowledge of the paintings. Soon he became an accomplished artist in the miniature style. He uses a magnifying glass and a single head brush for miniature paintings that depict Indian culture. Ajay is gifted in the practice of creating images on a grain of rice. Ajay exhibited his work and sold 144 out of the 150 paintings displayed. He continued to show his work throughout India, the United States, and the United Kingdom. In 2004, Ajay was awarded a National Award of Accomplishment from the Indian President Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Apart from painting, Ajay is also very actively involved in the welfare of people with hearing impairment in India and has been the executive member of the Deaf and Dumb Association in Rajasthan. He also gives free training to hearing impaired children in Jaipur as well as children in an orphanage in Gandhinagar, Jaipur. One of Ajay's current goals is to revitalize the dying art of traditional miniature Indian paintings. Ajay's life shows us that we can turn our hobby or passion into a successful career if we are ready to learn and develop our skills. Section 3. The hardworking and the passionate people always chase their dream and live it. Ilavaragi is one among the many to achieve her dream amidst all odds. Mr. A. Irudayaraj, her father, was a district level champion in Carom. His dream shattered since his family did not encourage and support him. He was determined to achieve his dream through his daughter. He used to put his daughter on the carom board while she listened to the sounds of striker and coins. When she was 2 years old, he would carry her with him to the tournaments. He played with his friends at local clubs. Her father began coaching her when she was around 5. One day, her father called her for a match and she won the match, which gave her confidence. The confidence led her to win. Her victories included the Asia Cup and South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation Cup and the World Championship. Irudayaraj, a fish cart driver who transports materials like pipes to make a living for his family, a wife, and 3 daughters. They lived in a small one-room apartment in Vyasapadi, Chennai. is not enough to accommodate the family. The trophies she has won over the years are too many, and her home is just not big enough to keep them. The trophies left over after filling the space under the bed were given to the neighbors and relatives. Financing the trips has always been a big trouble, though she has been playing for the state for almost 14 years. Still, she says, victories follow me. Ilavaragi is a member of the Thiruvalluvar District Carom Association and also represented India at the Carom World Championships, Asian Championships. Achievements: 5th World Carom Champion 2008 in France, Women's Singles title at the 38th Senior National Carom Championships in Visakhapatnam 2009, Women's Singles title in the 37th National Carom Championship in Chennai 2008, 13th SAC Carom Championship Women's Doubles with Rashmi Kumari in 2009, the two-time SAC Carom Championship Women's Singles title in 2009, World Cup winner in 2006, and the next was the 2010 championship in the US, where she secured the first place in singles and doubles. She holds 260 medals, out of which 106 are gold, 17 are silver, and 12 are bronze medals won in national competitions. She has won 111 gold, 9 silver, and 5 bronze medals in international tournaments. Her hobby of playing carom took her to the level of world champion. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching it. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel.